Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are unboxing the SKIMS The North Face Retro Denali Fleece Gloves. Now, this collection came in 4 awesome colors, 2 tans, 1 cool, 1 warm, a cocoa, and a black. Now, of course, this is the cocoa color, and if you think of the whole collection and all of the pieces that we could have, the gloves are kind of like the icing on top to keep that monochrome look going. Now, they retailed for $60, which I think was probably a little steep for like casual gloves, but I'm not sure how they price up next to the North Face in general, and because they do have that SKIMS logo on there, they're gonna be a little bit more expensive. Now, I felt like they were a good make. They do have rubber on the inside, so it's gonna give you some good traction or some good grip if you are wearing these for skiing. I probably am not gonna choose to wear these for skiing specifically because I just get really cold. But I do think if you're in, a warmer ski environment, these would be great. Or if you are, walking from the car to the lodge or around the lodge, they feel like more of an everyday glove to me rather than a ski glove. But let me know how you think in the comments below. Now, they do have this little clip that is going to keep them together and make sure that one does not get lost from the other. So I really do appreciate that detail. And of course, it is the North Face, so they are no newbie to the glove scene. So it makes sense that these were crafted with intention and care. Let me know if you like these, if you love them, if you have them, and what your thoughts are. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.